So friends, today we will learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. This is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. We have many Rubik's Cube in the market. This is 4x4, this is also 4x4, we have 5x5 and many other Rubik's Cubes. So today we are going to learn about the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. 3x3, it is called as 3x3 because it has 3 layers: downwards, middle and upper, and in the same way it has 3 adjacent layers. So to begin with, we have to consider some rules about the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. In the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, you can see there are some middle you can say middle pieces which are fixed and they don't turn when we turn the sides of the cube. Like this is the blue center of the Rubik's Cube, this is the red, this is the green, this is orange, and this is white. There is no way in which we can change the position of the middle piece. It will stay as it is however we change the side of the Rubik's Cube. So to begin with solving this, I have to scramble it first. So let me do it first for you. So this is now scrambled well. So now starting with how to solve these, we have to solve layer by layer. The first layer first, then the second layer, then all the 3 layers of the cube. So starting with the first layer, we have to make the plus sign in the below layer. So let's start with the white. So white piece is there in the middle. So we will start with the white piece. So for creating the plus sign, you have to adjust the white piece with some other color at the center. So in this piece we have white and orange. So we will take this piece to the middle of orange with white and we will take it upwards. Same way we will do for each and every layer, each and every color. So for red, we have to fix it like this: middle red, adjacent red, and white in the side. So we will keep it up. So we have created one horizontal layer. Now we will go for another one. So this is the green and white piece. So we will put this green to adjacent of the green and then push the white upwards, so that now we have created 3 pieces at the center. And now we will go for the blue one. So here we have blue, white and blue. So to pull this blue at the adjacent of blue, we have to turn it aside and then move it upwards and then put this to the upper layer. So in this way you have created the plus. So now we have the plus in the lower layer. So now we have to fix the corner pieces. So for corner pieces,